What's your favorite drink now from now on, Annie?
What is it? Tequila and Bailey's.
No. Tequila and Kahlua.
Tequila and Kahlua.
And then what do you do with it?
You light
You
it
light it
on
on fire and you suck it down.
With
a
what?
straw.
With a straw.
Before what?
Before it melts.
Before what
Or you're
melts?
fucked.
Before what? Before... I don't know if you're fucked, but...
Oh no, it's about another 15 minutes. Oh shit.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, this is what you get after about 7 of those, people.
7?
Just so you know.
Holy shit. What, or a bottle.
Can I get my screen fixed?
No.
Maybe.
Oh, I didn't know. It wasn't a whole bottle. We didn't start off with a whole bottle.
Half.
No. Really? Does he say sitting on a toilet?
Yes.
And where are you finding this?
That's what she does during lunch break.
Now flush.
Wait.
You want to go sit on the toilet and do that?